this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add Klarna to OnePay. So the most direct way to use Klarna with OnePay is through the integrated OnePay Later feature, which is powered by Klarna and available for Walmart purchases. So you don't need to manually add Klarna, you simply select it within the OnePay application. So step number 1 is access OnePay Later in the OnePay application. So as shown in the image, the OnePay application's home screen feature a Pay Later section. You can tap on OnePay Later by Klarna to get started. Now, after pre-qualifying, you can use this option at checkout. It can also be used in online or in-store at Walmart. So once you have made a purchase using OnePay Later, the transaction will appear in your Klarna application under My Purchases, as seen in the image. So you can manage your payment plan from there. And if you have a physical or virtual Klarna card, you can add it to your OnePay wallet to use as a regular payment method. So to do that, just go to your OnePay wallet and then navigate to the wallet section. Now in the wallet, select the option to add a new card. So you will be presented with a screen like this, where you can enter your Klarna card's number, expiration date, and as well as the CVC. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!